아 근데 진짜 과장님 뛰는 게 이게 아니라 진짜 막 닌자 어떻게든 해가지고
나 엄청 강하게 못 뛰거든요.
네, 그걸 했는데
The right hand side is a 4D and the left hand side is handheld Sony camera, okay? So I'm gonna run and see how good the stabilization works, okay? You ready? Okay, let's go. All right. So that's the difference between the A7 III and the 4D Ronin. Let's go down this way. Everyone, so you see the difference between this gimbal, the 4D Ronin, and then you see the difference of the handheld A7 III Sony camera. So from here, I want you guys to see what the differences are, okay? We'll see you later on. Okay, bye.
Just groove like that, just like a chicken. Just like that. A nice battery pack. So good. Oh, awesome.